With stock levels so low in Bligh Park right now, when a cracking 3-bedroom home like this one comes to market, you're going to have to be quick. I'm Adam Buckett, and together with Natalie Thornton, we're very proud to present number 12 Dawes Place, Bligh Park. Positioned in a quiet cul-de-sac in the heart of Bligh Park sits this beautifully presented 3-bedroom family home on a decent 546 square metre parcel of land. With renovations completed 5 years ago, you'll be impressed with the 2 large living areas and the sleek design and modern finishes throughout the home. The kitchen has been upgraded and redesigned to make maximum use of the natural light, and the bathroom is sophisticated and well thought out. The master bedroom is positioned at the back of the home, which is a current design trend, and you have a large walk-in robe and bay windows looking out over the picturesque gardens. This home will suit an outdoors family with a fantastic outdoor entertaining area that does need a little bit of work, but it does also have a brand new carport and a huge garden shed set in this magnificent garden. This is a one-of-a-kind modern family home.
Adam and I can't wait to meet you at this weekend's open home.